You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Wow, such a fascinating word, but so confusing. And we're going to learn today how to say it correctly. So stay tuned for more vocabulary. I've got more videos for you. Anthropocene. All right, so let's break it down. The Americans would say an, but that's similar pronunciation. Anthropocene, the term that has been used to refer to the period of time during which humanity has become a planetary force of change. Anthropocene. The stress is on the first syllable, okay? So Anthropocene, not Anthropocene, Anthropocene. Did you get this? Can you pronounce it correctly? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.